Hi, you're welcome to another episode of Ask the Trichologist. My name is Atilola and I am the trichologist at African Naturalistas Hair Clinic. Ask the Trichologist is that program where you basically send your questions to us and then we'll ask it so far it has to do with hair and scalp. And you can do this in two ways. You can either ask your questions in the comment section below or send an email to att@africannaturalistas.com. So before we go on, what I want you to do is like this video, share so that your friends can hear what we are talking about today, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and then don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. So 5 things: share this video, like, click on the notification bell, subscribe, and then comment. Yes. So today we are going to be taking a question from Bibi. Bibi is asking, "Hi Atilola, my edges are very bad and I have been doing a lot of things to stress it. I just want to lock my hair and forget about it. Do you think this is a good idea?" All right. Thank you very much, Bibi, for asking that question. Yeah, I get this question a lot actually. So a lot of people that are just, generally tired of caring for their hair and they don't want to think about their hair so much, but they don't want to cut their hair. They're always asking, "Oh, Atola, I want to lock my hair. What do you think about locking my hair?" And especially because you also have locks and you're a trichologist, having locks, is it a good decision for me? But the truth is that while locks are actually good and they are the perfect solution for some people in some certain phases of their life, locks are not for everyone. And one of the people, unfortunately, one of the classes of people that locks are not good for are people that have issues with their edges. So Bibi, no, you should not be locking your hair if you have issues with your edges. And here's why. Locking your hair means that the two reasons why you should not be locking your hair when you have issues with your edges is that one of the reasons why you want to lock your hair is because you want to regrow your edges. And one of the things that got you into having bad edges in the first place is lack of care for your hair, lack of care for your edges. And locks have the propensity to tempt you to not care for your hair anymore because, well, I'm just going to lock the hair, I'm just going to leave it, I'm not going to do so much. And that is not the attitude that you want to have when you are trying to regrow your edges. Regrowing your edges will involve you bringing in some active lifestyle changes. There are things you need to do to your hair daily. There are things you need to do to your hair weekly. You need to implement some things and you need to be consistent and diligent with it when you are doing that thing. And when you're wearing your hair in locks, it makes you like lazy in quotes. Not for everyone, but for people that are generally not ordinarily disciplined, locks will make you even become more indisciplined. You understand? So that's one reason why we don't even advise people that have issues with their edges to just go and lock their hair and forget about it, and then they can do one or two things and just be sleeping. But the most important reason, because that was the less important reason, the most important reason is that locks actually put tension on your edges. Yes. The process of locking and relocking and locking and relocking, making sure that your edges or your hair generally gets to lock, it's a lot of tension on your edges. Loads and loads of tension. And when the hair has locked, you need to go and relock. Maybe once a month, once in 2 months, or once in 10 weeks, depending on your own preference. So when you are locking your hair, that tension, whether you're doing palm rolling or you're doing the crochet style or you're doing the interlocking, whatever method you choose, the process of relocking your hair actually puts tension around your edges. We have seen people who had no problems with their edges in the first place. They have no issues with hair loss, with traction alopecia, but they begin to have traction alopecia just because they went to lock their hair and they're locking it too often, or the person who is in charge of locking their hair is not knowledgeable enough. You get? So if you have issues with your edges, the cheat code is to calm the edges. Whether you are locking your hair or you are not locking your hair, whatever hairstyle you have on, the cheat code to regrowing your edges is to calm the activities around your edges and rest it totally. And locks will not get you on that level. Locs will take you the other way because you have to keep locking and relocking. I mean, even a lot of people lose their edges because of locking and relocking. So you should not even be going that way of locking your hair when you have issues with your edges. Locs will not grow your edges back. Locs will not grow your edges back because a lot of people think, oh, I've done all these hairstyles, I've done all these things, and they have made my edges worse. I was gonna lock my hair. No, locs will not grow your edges. Locs will make your edges worse. So I believe I've been able to help you, BB, and every other person who is watching this and you have issues with your edges. Do not lock your hair. You cannot lock your way out of bad hair care practices. Caption that: you cannot lock your hair out of bad practices. You cannot lock your hair out of bad practices. You need to do the things you need to do to grow your edges. And if you are looking to grow your edges, and we have edge restoring products for you, and we have edge restoring courses for you, you can just check in the description box below. If it's the edge restoring products you need, you can buy the products. If it is the courses you need, you can buy the courses. Because the truth is that if you get the products and you do not reverse everything you need to do, you do not change the mindset that got you into the place where you lost your edges in the first place, the products will only grow the edges back, but the edges will keep breaking off and they will keep receding as the products are going and growing them back. So what I always advise is that you get the products and then you got the courses, and then with both of them, you are able to get your edges back in less than 6 months. All right then, so till I come your way again in the next episode of Ask The Trichologist, my name is Atilola. I am the founder of African Naturalistas and the trichologist of African Naturalistas Hair Clinic. Before you go, a lot of people, you know that a lot of people need to watch this video because a lot of women are suffering from bad edges out there. So share this video, share it with them, click the notification bell, like this video, subscribe to this channel because we need to get this message out there. A lot of people need to see it, and comment down there and let people know what good works we are doing. Right? Share, like, click on the notification bell, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions for us, ask in the comment section or send an email to ATT, that's ATT, Ask The Trichologist at africannaturalistas.com. In case you are confused about anything I've said here, just check the description box below. Everything is out there for you. Till I come your way again in the next episode. Bye.